In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lightbox for your Wix website to get started. Open your Wix editor. This is where you will build and customize the pop-up, which Wix refers to as a lightbox. A lightbox is a great way to grab attention for things like welcome messages, special promotions, email signups, or contact prompts without permanently taking up space on your page. Once you are inside the editor, go to the menu on the left side and click the Add Elements icon, shown as a plus sign. From there, choose Interactive and then look under Pop-ups. You will see a collection of pre-designed templates made for different purposes, such as welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contact. Browse through the options, then click and drag the template you want onto your page. Starting with a template can save time because the structure is already designed for a common goal. As soon as you add the lightbox, the editor will switch into lightbox mode automatically. In this mode, you can focus only on editing the pop-up itself. Click on any element inside the lightbox, like the text, buttons, or images, to customize the font, colors, wording, and overall layout so it matches your website's style. If you want to add more content, open the Add Elements panel again and drag new items directly into the lightbox. As you do this, watch for the message that says Attach to Pop-up. That confirmation is important because it makes sure the new element stays inside the lightbox instead of landing on the regular page behind it. Next, set up how the lightbox should appear. Click the Set Triggers button floating on the canvas, or open the same option in the Settings panel. If you want the pop-up to appear automatically, choose that option and then decide which pages it should show on. You can also control when it appears, such as on the first page a visitor sees, and add a time delay so it doesn't feel too abrupt. If you'd rather have visitors open it manually, turn off automatic display. Then you can connect the lightbox to a button or menu link on your site so it only opens when someone clicks. After that, adjust the design and close settings. Click the dimmed area outside the pop-up to change the overlay background color or opacity. This helps control how much attention the lightbox gets compared to the rest of the page. Make sure the close button is easy to see and placed in a logical spot for a smooth user experience. You can also enable the option that lets visitors close the lightbox by clicking outside it on the overlay background. When everything looks the way you want, click Exit Mode in the top right to return to editing the rest of your website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.